Hi everyone, we have reached the final video of this Python series. Congratulations for making it this far. In today's video, we are going to swap the keys and values in a dictionary. So this is a fun and useful trick to manipulate dictionary data in Python. So let's wrap up this series with one last cool concept. So given a dictionary, our task is to swap the keys and values. For example, if the dictionary is like A1, B2, C3, where the key values are like A1, so we need to swap the key and values for that is we will swap this 1 and A. The resultant should be like the transformed dictionary should be like 1A, 2B and 3C. So this is the code. So let me explain it. First we define the function swap dictionary key values that accepts a dictionary as input. So this function accepts dictionary as input. Then we use dictionary comprehensions here. The item method returns the key value pairs of the dictionary and we reverse them, setting the value as the key and the key as the value. So what we did here is we set the value as the key and the key as the value. So the items here, the items method returns the key value pairs of the dictionary and we reverse them, setting the value as the key and the key as the value. So here we define our input dictionary myDict, which contains the key value pairs. So then we call the function to swap the keys and values in the dictionary, and finally we will print it. So let's run this. So the output is 1A, 2B, 3C as we expected. So the key concept we learn from this are the dictionary comprehension, how to use dictionary comprehension to swap keys and values that we did here. Then the items method, how to iterate over key values pairs in a dictionary. So the item method here iterate over the key value pairs in a dictionary. Then finally the efficient data manipulation, how to reverse the key value relationship in a dictionary effectively. And with that we have completed our final Python challenge in this series. I hope you have learned a lot about Python along the way, and these tutorials helped you build a strong foundation for your coding journey. If you enjoyed this series, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching all the videos in this series. So stay tuned for new content, and as always, happy coding. So keep practicing and keep growing. See you in the next series.